Hello, this is a tutorial on how to put on makeup for a Day of the Dead celebration. First, find some research, a picture, photograph, Pinterest. Next, you'll want to pin up your hair so your hair won't get in the makeup. We recommend bobby pins, as you see here. Sorry about walking into the frame. I will do better next time. Before you apply makeup, it's very important to outline the decorative elements of your face that's going to be on your face, as you see Britt doing here right now. We recommend using a eyeline pencil, maybe a light gray or light brown. You do not want to put the white makeup directly over all the face and then put the decorative elements on top of that. It will be muddy and blend in ways that are not attractive. So color block it out. Turn your face into a coloring book. Now is the time to apply the white base. Britt is doing that here. We are using a makeup wedge, which is an excellent tool for applying makeup. In large blocks. They will have to use a brush when they get to the decorative elements, but for now a makeup wedge will get large areas of white over the face, in this case the chin, cheek, jowls, down under, and will be good blending in. Now it's time to bring out a makeup brush. Any makeup brush will do. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Sally Beauty, and basically treat your face as a coloring book. You're coloring in the lines. Again, you do not want to cover over the decorative elements on your face. The white will blend in with the colors in ways that will not be attractive and that will not be true to your color palette. So we can see here, brushing in, a good stiff brush is recommended. Once that's done, Brittany is going back over the makeup with a wedge to smooth it out so there's a nice smooth surface. There we are. And now it's time to apply the decorative elements. The first are the teardrops, done with a small brush, as you can see here, and a cranberry or hot pink that was created by mixing white with some red. Next will be the eyes, sort of tomato orange here to do the eye sockets of the skull. Now the black. They've already done the black on the nose, and they're going to add the rictus of the smile of the sugar skull. So that will be the next step, as you see. Incidentally, Britt is using the same brush. They just have a bottle cap with makeup remover in it, and they just swish it around in there to clean it off and use a paper towel to dry. Next, Britt is darkening the eyebrows. This is very important. As you can see, if you leave the eyebrows a natural color, unless you have strong eyebrows, you want to add some color in it so it doesn't get lost in the makeup. Finally are what we call the frown lines, for lack of a better word, done with a black brush. Lastly, Britt is applying some mascara. This is an optional step. What this does, it makes the eyes pop, which can't get lost if there's a bold, warm color like that tomato orange. You could lose it in the makeup. And there you have it, Dia de los Muertos makeup. Next, you have to clean it off after the celebration. So what we recommend is either cold cream or makeup remover, again available at Walmart or at Sally Beauty. Use a cotton ball or a round makeup applicator. It's a round cotton makeup remover. Around the eyes, you may need some eye makeup remover, which is made for eyeliner and for mascara. Finally, wash your face. Apply a thin layer cold cream to protect your skin. And there you have it. Thank you very much.